Welcome to Beautiful Foods TV. In this video, I'm going to do a quick review of the Russell Hobbs Digital Deep Fry. First, what's in the box? I've got a little brochure, and I've taken it out of the box, out of the packaging earlier on to make the video quicker. So I've got the large fryer. Very nice, very beautiful, similar to Ninja deep hair fryer. But we couldn't use the Ninja fryer for things like fried plantain, pop-off, or any items that need deep frying. So we had to get the deep fry. It has a timer, the control system, and to open up there is a button that you push, and you press the basket button as well. It comes off. The only thing I see that I don't really fancy is its basket size. It's very small. For a family of 5, you would struggle. You have to probably cook your items maybe 3 or 4 times in batches. Apart from that, everything is lovely, very smooth, cosmetically beautiful. And to fry with this fryer, you add your oil to the oil level. There's a maximum oil level. I don't think the camera can get that, but inside it there's minimum oil level and maximum oil level. So you fill it with the oil and plug it in and wait until your temperature gets to the right set temperature that you have put it in, and then you place your items onto the basket. Lower the basket into the oil by pushing the button in front. Close the cover and you are good to go. There's a green and red light that comes on. To use the fryer, I'm going to pour in some vegetable oil onto the pan, into the pan. There's a minimum level and the maximum level, so make sure the oil is between the minimum and the maximum level. And I'm going to cover it and heat it up to 160 degrees for the pop-off I'm going to be frying. Plug the fryer, the light comes off in the front, and set it to the correct temperature. I'm going to fry between 60 and 180 degrees. So take the temperature up to that. If you want, you can set your timer as well, but that's optional. I'm going to put the timer once it starts ready for about 5 minutes. The fryer turns green once ready, and for 160, 170 degrees, it took about 10 minutes to heat up, about 5 minutes to turn green. So I'm going to push the button down for the handle, for the cover, and lift the basket up. The pop-off paste is ready. You can see there's fermentation and some bubbles of air. So there are 2 options in the frying of the pop-off. You can use a scoop, maybe an ice cream scoop or a proper scoop, whatever you can lay your hand on, or a spoon. Or you can dip your hand inside warm water and use your hand to scoop the pop-off into the hot oil. So I'm dropping the basket into the oil and putting the butter in the hot oil. Once you drop the batter of the puff into the oil. Naturally, it comes up because it's lighter than the oil, so it rises to the top of the oil. That also shows that the oil is hot. Drop in as many portions as your fryer can take. I've got a little basket in my fryer, so I'm going to drop about 6. And I'll fry this for about 3 to 5 minutes, flipping at least once or twice during the frying. Puff sometimes is like donut. If not fried properly, the inside will not cook. So I'm going to make sure that I check the inside to ensure that it's thoroughly cooked. Puff is ready. I'm going to open one up so you can see what the inside should be. Nice and fluffy, not soggy or not undercooked inside. Enjoy. For the cleaning of the Brussels herbs deep fryer, the entire fryer comes apart. Take off the basket for cleaning. The element comes off, and the oil pan as well, so you can empty out your oil and wash. After that, wipe it dry. You can put them back together very easily. Very nice, very lovely. A good benefit of having the Brussels herb deep digital fryer, apart from it having the light that shows you on and off when the fryer is ready, and also the lovely timer. In the instruction booklets, we're advised not to use a wristwatch or a clock or a different timer from the digital timer. So if you are using the timer, you don't have to use it, but if you are using it, you just press the button, the arrow, the plus sign up to select the number of minutes, and after that minute is done, you will hear the alarm sound and the fryer is ready. No more burning of food, like my daughter said. And the other cool bit also is the top of the fryer. You can see like a window, so you can keep an eye on your product or the food that you're cooking to make sure that everything is going on inside the fryer is fine. So another benefit is got like a little smoke, like a vent at the back. So rather than having your kitchen steaming up, this fryer is just beautiful. It's perfect. It keeps all your steam, all the steam of the cooking inside the fryer. I would recommend it. Also, I would like to note, I would like to make a note that I've not been paid by Brussels herbs for this review. I've just done a research in my process, normal usual process of buying any gadgets is to research, and I came up with this item as one of the top best sellers. So enjoy. Bye bye.